Okay. So once again, welcome Prashant. So we'll have a discussion on Power BI now.
Sure.
So we'll see like how it goes. Yeah. So what is the life cycle of Power BI?
So first of all, Power BI is a business intelligence tool.
Okay.
So we are having Power Query, Power Pivot, and Power View.
Okay.
So from there, in our Power Query, we are having the ETL process, and from there we'll go to the Power Pivot, and from there we can do the transformations into the query.
So in Power Pivot, you mean to say we can do transformations or in Power Query?
In Power Query,
Power Query we can do. Okay. And later, on top of it, what we can do?
Modeling we can do.
So with modeling, what you are going to fetch? Relationships. Right. So next, on top of it, what we have to do? So we can use DAX and get some analysis done, right? Next,
The Power View.
Visualizations. We can convert this textual into fine. So this is all about which component you are talking about?
Power BI desktop.
Okay. Good. So to do managing these reports which are built in Power BI desktop, which component you use?
Power Query.
No, the reports which you build, you have to manage them, right? You have to schedule them. So admin activities, when do you perform? Power BI service. Okay, Power BI service. Right. So coming to like within Power Query, we will have some questions first. So coming to like if I ask you like how do you filter first 10 records?
Yeah, from the ribbon option we are having the rows option, the remove rows or add rows. From there we can select the range of rows, what we have to select, the selected number of rows. So from there we can give the skipping value and the required value. So we can filter the data accordingly.
Okay. So if I ask you like how do we filter alternate records?
Yeah, we can do the alternate records and even number records also.
How we can perform it? What is the option?
From remove rows, we are having the range of
Alternate rows.
So from there we can.
What are the options you provide?
The first value we have to give the removing rows. If you are giving one, it will be selecting only the odd numbers. If you are giving the 2 value, that goes to the even numbers.
Even number. So maybe it's vice versa. So 1 means even number, 2 means odd number.
Yeah.
Fine. So coming to like within the Power Query, if I ask you to write a condition based, then which option you use?
So writing
Condition based. If I ask to write a column, if I ask to generate a column based on a condition, for example,
we do have conditional options.
condition.
So,
Which ribbon option we have?
The transform ribbon.
Transform or add column? Because add column.
Yeah, add column.
Because condition means it is adding a new column, so it will present in add columns. What is difference in merge columns doing in transform and add column?
Add column in the sense we are getting a new column, merging the selected number of columns into one column, and the new column along with the present columns will be displayed.
Okay.
In the merge, we are having only the particular column which we are merging.
In the transform?
In the transform.
In the transform. Fine. Okay. So, what is the backend code of Power Query?
Power Query we are having M code.
What is the M code?
Measure code, which is released by Microsoft.
Okay. So, what is joins in a Power Query? How do you join two tables in Power Query?
We use merge option.
Merge queries.
Merge queries.
Okay. So in merge queries, and do you have any alternative other one like append queries also, right? So what is the difference between these two?
Merge query will work on the rows, and append query will work on the columns.
Again, it is vice versa.
Yeah. So merge query is on the rows, and append will on
columns. Right. So coming to like applied steps,
Yes.
have you removed multiple steps at a time in applied steps?
Yes, sir. We can remove.
Okay.
We need to select the particular step and the bottom one before the
The last
bottom.
one.
We can delete from there. This is the bottom step. Sir.
What is meant by pivoting?
Pivoting, converting the rows into columns.
Okay. Unpivoting means?
Columns into rows.
Transpose means?
It will as if the same, the pivot and unpivot, but in a single option we are having the transpose.
Okay. So what are the kind of storage modes we have in Power Query, Power BI?
Storage modes.
Connectivity modes.
So sorry.
What about the direct query, import query, live query? What are these three?
Yeah, that are the storage.
Storage.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So if I ask you what is difference between a duplicate and reference in Power Query, if I do a duplicate or if I do a reference, what is the difference in the queries? Okay. Fine then. So what is like the option that you use to convert first row as headers?
From the ribbon we can find an option. Or
The option name.
yeah, if you are having the column in the second or third column, we need to delete the first row, and then the below row we can add as a first row as header.
Use first row as header. The options are mandatory.
Yes.
So usually options you have to remember. Okay, fine. So coming to like within Power Query. So do you want any functions in Power Query?
Functions.
Number functions, date functions. If I want to extract a year from a date field,
Yes, sir, we can perform.
how can we do that?
I'm not aware of this.
Fine. Yeah, thanks Prashant. Thanks for your time for the Power BI session as well. So we'll meet in the next session for ADF as well.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you.